You wake up in the morning and what do? You get yourself ready to go to school. But you don't have to go to school this time because school is closed. School at home, school at home. Let's get ready for some school at home. School at home, school at home. It's time for school at home.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Thursday. Today is a day that we get to practice a different daily living skill. That's something that you do around the house or you do with yourself to just get through the day. Today we're going to learn and practice how to vacuum. That's why I have my tripod ready to go. But remember, even though today we're working on vacuuming, you can practice any of the daily living skills that we've already learned. So we practice to load the dishwasher and how to unload the dishwasher. So feel free to practice those anytime that you have dishes. It's a really good skill to learn and do by yourself. Let me get off my bouncy ball and let's look at the date together. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 16th. We already had Monday lessons, Tuesday lessons, Wednesday lessons, and now today is Thursday. Thursday lessons. If today is Thursday, what's tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is Fun Friday, and that's when we get to have our whole group lesson. So all of our friends are gonna be in the same video call, and Erin will be there too, and so will all of the staff members. It'll be a little bit crazy, but it's gonna be fun. Fun Friday. When you come to Fun Friday, I want you to wear a silly hat. Any silly hat you have in your house. That way we can all share what silly hats we have together. Don't forget. But for today, it's still Thursday. It's Thursday, April 16th. Let's look for 16 on our calendar. Remember, it's a 1 and a 6 together. Can you find the number that's a 1 and a 6? Let's look closer. Which one has a 1 and a 6? Right, that one, 16. Today is the 16th. Today is the 16th. Thursday, April 16th. And today we're gonna practice vacuuming. We have our little reference sheet here that I sent home. Where's the place that we vacuum? Do we vacuum at home or do we vacuum in the car? You can actually vacuum in both places. Today we're going to learn about vacuuming in the house with a vacuum that you push. But in the car they have some special vacuums for cleaning out your car. I know Michael Peter likes to go to the car wash and see them clean. Does anyone else go and see how they clean the car? It can be a really fun place to go and see. But today, let's focus on places in our house where we can vacuum. Here are some places in the house. We can vacuum in the bathroom. We can vacuum in the living room. And we can vacuum in the kitchen. But we do not vacuum in the garden. It would be super silly to vacuum on the grass. That's not where we vacuum. Normally, you use a vacuum to clean out carpets or rugs. You can also use a vacuum on hard floor, like tiles and wood, to clean up things that are still there. Sometimes little pieces of food or sometimes dog hair ends up on the ground, so we can vacuum it up. Now watch Miss Sabrina as she follows the steps for vacuuming, and then you practice at home. First, you want to go find the vacuum wherever you keep it. Mine's pretty little because I have a little house. Next, you want to unwrap the cord. Great. Now I need to plug in the vacuum. Make sure you do this carefully. You might need someone's help. Next, I'm going to turn on the vacuum. Now, I'm going to move the vacuum across the floor to clean up all the dirt. Oh no, you might find that things are in the way. If things are in the way, you can stop, turn off the vacuum, and move things out of the way. All my cords were in the way, so I moved them out of the way. I'm going to move other things out of the way too to make sure that I vacuum everything up. This box and plants are in the way, so I'm going to move them. Great, now I can vacuum up all the dirt that was under those things. Remember to move your vacuum back and forth along the ground. This will clean up all the dirt in those places. Sometimes you might have to move around furniture to make sure you get all the dirt. Now that I cleaned one side of the room, I'm going to move my stuff back. It's important that you put things back after you're done cleaning. Now that I cleaned one side of the room, I can move my stuff to the other side of the room to make sure I clean all of the dirt that are under these other things. I moved my table and I moved my chair. You might have to move different things in your house. Now I can vacuum this side of the room. Make sure to get all the dirt on the ground. I vacuum back and forth. That looks excellent. Once I'm done cleaning this side of the room, I'm going to put all of my things back. Don't forget to turn off your vacuum before you start putting things away. I put my table back and my chair back. I'm going to repeat these steps for each of the different parts of my house. Watch me move my stools. Oh, there's a big piece of trash, so I'll pick it up. Then I'll turn on my vacuum and vacuum up all the dirt. I'm remembering to move my vacuum around. Just like that. There are some parts of the house that you can vacuum under or around, so you won't need to move things. Sometimes you will need to move your cord because it doesn't reach different parts of the house. Just turn off the vacuum, unplug the cord, and plug it in somewhere new. I'm going to follow the same steps as I clean my bedroom. I'm going to vacuum back and forth. The last step when you're all done vacuuming is to turn off the vacuum and then unplug the cord. Now that it's unplugged, you can rewrap the cord around the vacuum. There are little hooks that you can wrap it around. When I'm almost done wrapping, that last part connects to the cord. Perfect. I'm just going to put my vacuum away and then I'm all done. I'm going to put my vacuum back where I keep it. Oh no! I forgot to put my chairs back. That's okay. I can put them back now. Remember, we have to always put back the things that we move when we're vacuuming. There we go. That's perfect. We did it.